2, 3 fast trains go chug-a-chug-chug through the hills and over the mud. 4 strong trucks with heavy load driving slowly down the road. 5 zooming bikes go vroom vroom round and round with lots of room. 6 tall cranes go up so high, touching clouds in the bright blue sky. 7 fun boats float on the sea, waving flags so joyfully. 8 helicopters flying fast, spinning blades and zooming past. 9 tiny cars with lights so bright, beep 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 all day and night. 10 big diggers dig the ground, making holes without a sound. Now we've counted 1 to 10, let's sing this rhyme again and again. Bye bye trucks and trains and more, let's learn again like never before.